sorrow, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this big curly wig. If you want to find out all the details about today's hair and install, continue watching.
Seems so good. I guess
Today's hair sponsor is Geeta Hair. I believe I have worked with them in the past a while back. Today we have installed a 24-inch 13x4 curly wig. This wig is advertised as HD and pre-plucked.
would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking I said that I needed you, like a late night, someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt.
Okay, so I'm noticing that this lace is very fragile. Yeah, this lace. The lace is very transparent.
Like a fight with it, everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts.
We're gonna go in with the classic OG Evans spray for this install.
Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the
Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do for detailing this wig is spray some, having a brain fart. We're gonna spray some more Ebon spray and then we're gonna melt it down with the band for a few minutes.
hearts? One who's breaking
Okay, so while we wait for this to dry, I can start wetting the hair down and, you know, getting it a little bit more ready for me to deal with after. I must say, the hair on this curly wig is very soft, you guys. It feels very silky for a curly hair wig. I am pretty impressed with the hair quality. Now, the lace is a bit fragile. It just teaches you, you know, you gotta be more careful and really look at what you're doing when you're plucking, because if you get a new wig and you've invested all this money for a new wig and then next thing you know, there's like a bunch of holes, it is gonna compromise the wig over time. It's not something that I would really worry about in the beginning, but over time, I would say, yeah, you don't want a wig that has a bunch of holes, and if they get bigger, you know, that's more problematic.
your heart. Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out.
Okay, a little trick that I like to do when you see these hairs that are stuck, just get a little comb and just go back and forth. It will lift them up without pulling off your wig.
You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but some.
Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys what I did to this side. I tinted it with the lace tinting, and I'm just going in, and then I'm instantly cleaning it off with my damp rag.
Sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
I don't know if I'm gonna do anything to the little sideburnies. I don't know, to be determined. What should we do, you guys?
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
The wig is very beautiful. Now, as for the density, I don't know what the density is. It's either 180 or 250, but I'm leaning towards 250, you guys, because do we see how full this is? Wow. And it is definitely styled length. When I stand up, it is hitting me where a 24-inch would hit me styled. It fits really nicely. I liked that I didn't have to cut too much hair off of the sides here. It kind of just had just the right amount of hair there. I did use this ebon lace tint in the color medium brown to spray all over the lace. It made a huge difference. I would say this wig is not HD, but to each their own, you guys. And what I really like about this hair is it is very soft. Like, wow, it's some of the softest curly hair I've felt on a wig for a really long time. So I'm really impressed. It is a very comfortable fit, not too tight. Like, you could wear this wig and you wouldn't feel like, you know, you're wearing a wig. Let me know what you guys think. Even though this wig does come with like a pre-plucked hairline, I did go in and remove a lot of hair. It is super bouncy, super flowy. It looks this good with just water. I am impressed. You guys should check it out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. So those are my final thoughts on today's install, today's wig. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Leave me a thumbs up before you go. It really does go a long way. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.